Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the Pamo Babe 4-in-1 Portable Baby Crib Deluxe Nursery Center, a versatile and essential addition to any nursery. This foldable travel playard is designed with your child's safety and comfort in mind, featuring smooth rounded corners and breathable mesh for optimal visibility and protection. With external dimensions of 43 inches long, 29 inches wide, and 28 inches high, this sturdy structure can support up to 33 pounds, making it perfect for newborns, infants, and toddlers. The easy-to-assemble design means no tools are required, allowing you to quickly set up a spacious area where your baby can practice standing and playing once the cradle is removed. Ideal for family trips, the Pamo Babe playpen folds effortlessly and comes with a convenient travel bag, fitting snugly in your car's trunk. Built with a durable frame and thick fabrics, this childcare center also features 2 wheels for easy mobility around your home. Whether you're at home or on the go, this nursery center ensures your little one has a safe and comfortable space to rest and play. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.